Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually create a game pass on Roblox. So first you have to log into your Roblox account, then you can find the create button here. So simply click on create and it will lead you to the creator hub. Now simply from here you have to choose a gameplay or the mode here. So I'm going to choose a mode from here, for example this one. Now you can edit it in studio, but if you scroll down you can find the passes here in the monetization section. If it's just like this, you can just expand that monetization section and you can find that passes. Now from here you can clearly find a create a pass button here. Simply click on create a pass and you can add a pass image if you want. So then you can name it like this, and you can add some description if you want so with that pass, and simply click on create pass. And here you can see I have just created a pass here. From here I can just open in a new tab or copy the URL or copy the pass ID from here. So we are going to open in a new tab here. So from here we can go to the sales and we can just click on this price item for sale. Then we can add some price here for Robux. Now enable regional pricing or anything. Now save changes. If you save changes, then you can make it or you can up it for the sale on Roblox. So that's how you can just create a pass on Roblox. So hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.